We hope you enjoyed our last video on thread veins, and today we will be talking about resurface treatment, which is using a fractional laser.
Ooh, and I'm in the background, again, hand coming in somewhere, to ask the questions. So, Jay, what is fractional laser used for?
Fractional laser is our best treatment, I would say, if you have stretch marks that you're not fond of, if you have scarring from acne or surgical scarring, or if you would like general skin rejuvenation but you're not a fan of the needles and Botox doesn't float your boat.
Okay, so what does that actually involve? What is it doing with the laser?
So the laser, when we're using the fractional handpiece, will make tiny, microscopic holes in the skin, and it will create thermo damage using the light from the laser. What that then will do is tell your skin that it's had a bit of an injury, and it will work to repair itself. And in the repairing process, it will create collagen and elastin, which will help to even out your skin tone, break down any scar tissue that you have, and plump up your skin generally. So that's how it works.
Clever laser, clever old skin. So my favourite question, does it hurt?
It's a funny one because fractional is one of our more invasive treatments, but actually the doing is no biggie at all. It's not sensitive whilst you're doing it. Where it does get a little bit uncomfortable is once it's been done, your skin will heat up and it will be like sunburn. What we then do as soon as we've done the treatment is work to cool your skin immediately with some nice ice gauze.
So how long are you going to stay hot and red like that for?
Well, you're going to be pink for a little while, so at least the rest of the day and possibly the next day too. It will look, like I said, like sunburn, but actually after the initial heat has died down, it's really quite comfortable. Your skin will feel a bit tight, but it's no biggie.
So no hot dates then, or the day of treatment?
I would advise against hot dates.
So once that redness is gone,
yeah,
what am I going to see in my skin?
Okay, so the healing process generally for fractional is kind of Jerry the Berry for day one, maybe day two, and then you're going to end up with a bit of a bronzed effect. So you can ditch a fake tan because you won't need it.
Turkey.
Yeah. So you'll end up with a bit of a bronzed effect, which will then around day 5, maybe to day 7, you'll notice will start to flake away. So you'll want to sort of lightly exfoliate and keep moisturised during this period. Once it's flaked off, your skin will look lovely, plump and back to normal. And then you're ready in a few weeks' time for your next session.
Soft as a baby's pop-pop. So you say about next session, yeah. How many treatments do we have to have then?
It depends on why you're having fractional. So if you're having fractional for quite severe scarring, for example, you're probably going to need a course of 6. If you're having it for just some general all over skin rejuvenation, then perhaps 3 will be enough.
Oh, so we just pop back each week then, do we?
No. Oh. No, you need to leave at least 4 weeks in between. We would advise probably 6 to 8 as a better benchmark, because we obviously want to give your skin time to heal externally and internally.
Oh, fantastic. I think I better book in. Lovely. Thank you for Jay very much. That's the end of my questions.
Thank you. Well, thanks for joining us. I hope you've learnt a little bit about fractional. That's actually the end of our laser series now. It's covered a lot, so we hope we haven't bored you too much. If you would like to join us on our next series, which I think is the last one, it's all about PDO threads and non-surgical facelifts.